About 20 years ago, when I was getting my feet wet with DOE, I mean, really digging in, one of the comments I heard was that if anyone could apply design experiments to software, that would be the holy grail for design experiments. Because at that time, it was clearly used in manufacturing and useful. R&D, at least people were doing it. I was doing it there. Certainly can be done in marketing. I've used it there. Probably roughly at that time frame, I was starting to use it. Um, but software was a totally different area, totally different beast. And so if someone could figure out that, that'd be awesome. Um, and then I kind of realized just recently, recalled that conversation and recalled some projects I worked on. And the big difference there, if you're basically running an algorithm, 2 plus 2 equals, well, the software should always be giving you 4. If it's not 4, it doesn't match a known solution. It either works or it doesn't. And those are poor opportunities for design experiments in what I call verification testing. But if you look at things of processing time, response time of a user with a piece of software, that's a different type of output or measurement that you can have. And obviously color scheme and screen layout and things like that can affect that response time. And then also importantly, the accuracy of that response time. If they're supposed to hit, if they're given a message, they're supposed to click item B and they click on E, well, that's an error. And just the error, user error in using the application is another issue. If they're right, but it takes a long time, or if they're quick but wrong, those are issues. And so I think it's more in the usability of the software where design experiments really can be used. And I've done situations like that in the past, DOE tests, to get those kind of results and get those answers to help development on that side of the fence. Other areas with potential for it is neural networks, those learning artificial intelligence type things, to try and see what the sensitivity of what happens if the neural network has these constants. Obviously the constants are always evolving, but if you kind of explore some of the limits with the DOE, that might be very informative about the sensitivity or capability of that neural net. Another thing is in software safety. You want to, again, test out extremes, but not necessarily do every combination. If you want to predict, is there some settings or combinations that could cause a less than desirable result? So both are potential areas of DO application that I've discussed with others. Haven't executed a project in that area yet, but there's some opportunities in that area with today's day and age, with security being a big thing, or software safety, and then neural nets and artificial intelligence being a hot topic. So again, that holy grail of how do you apply to those situations. I have some concepts, ideas of how it could be applied here. Certainly have already done it here. And so I think maybe we have our thumbs on the holy grail of applying DOE to software. If you have an application in software that you think could maybe be used in this way, and you'd like to explore what that option would look like, we can discuss that. Contact us at Perry Solutions. We'd love to sit with you, lay out what that could look like, and achieve a holy grail win for your application.